The topic of illegal job appointments in Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is not new. Yet, no one is held responsible, nor had there been any thorough investigation. Alleging illegal appointments in the Health and Family Welfare Department and Soil Conservation Department under the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council in the past, Potmo Teron and his companions had held protests in front of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. But today, as on 10th August, we are yet to see any investigation, said Potmo Teron at a press conference held at Deephu Press Club.
Board on make it amtangari ni dum labang su illegal appointment of the council don di long setami chesong konang ko galapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ka chari ki thegiding atum RD ne PPA job sai job ni thongkep setami ni dum chesong konang ko aphi jong election code of conduct dui kokma dele to malam so sangi koklo apen election code of conduct lapen election conduct de phi alang nitum haide de phi CM ke hai alang li public domain mate social media long da pina niltum theklong lo alang li kaning je pondo je Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council la thengno ge chesong pon da lebi alang nitum justice nang legi hok petakang sai nang legi blotang te isi alang nitum hen pen representation complaint letter or memorandum isi nang palik no pusalang li ningje lo lapen alang li inside po pusi rata hom jai lo lam chak chipi lo labang so alang li lam chak chipi ateng nilitum ke tamtang 11/7/2022 memorandum ke lai khan lo alang li CM ke heban alang li chamber long nilitu memorandum thonamik lo memorandum thonam ben alang inside pon po pusi nilitum lam chak chipi no pon so dami pini yar ni an ke chekloijon plengi kailo kopi ko sono ne ko anang dengno ne alang litum katarlip lapen ko mama ji kangsai kono ne ko ma officer dakang chala pon ma si alang litum neping nang lo ne disciplinary action enang lo ne polang litum pinian yan da rathong jala tangdak de lo.
Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, had during the protest asked for memorandum and promised to help those responsible, and accordingly, the memorandum was submitted, said Potmo Teron. He further expressed his disappointment at not seeing any actions taken against the illegal appointments done in the Department of Soil Conservation and Health and Family Welfare Department.
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council long ke la health department la pen soil conservation la hini department long derle illegal appointment la puson ke do pukali akapre ka department of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council long ke topik la nilitum ang theglong bom lo chini bom lo la pen rat satami la bangso ta ke chini bai athela bang illegal appointment do akapre ka department long do pe lage open secret bon satami rat atum ka feria job ko mane pressure ki pia job rat atum alang litum paklang kona heder lo lasi labangso illegal appointment apu thak nilitum ki puji ge prabjin pen labangso illegal appointment apu thake alang litum non nitum nang chunol don deprived candidates alang litum del ge sungji poli labangso ajutang langnu illegal appointment aronde ben pibom lang kote pini nili da theklo mini pinabla theklo mini pinabdi ge komane akar bi apho komane englong so alang litum phobom po lagi nilitum del ge sungji poli lo lagi la sila so pu thak bangke council dum prabjin ben ka chapakeng kenang sot athe aronde ben pibom lang bolo de News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live.